You think yawning is a signal of weakness, of pure, crushing fatigue. Think again.
It's a secret survival trick your brain uses. Every time you open your jaw, you're not just inhaling air, you're pulling a thermal shockwave. A yawn instantly cools your overheated brain by nearly a micro-adjustment, designed for one thing: to restore performance and sharpen your focus. Yawning doesn't make you sleepy, it literally makes your mind work smarter.
The ultimate mental reboot. Now you know the truth. Hit subscribe for more facts that shatter reality.